Hello, hello, beautiful babes. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Today is another fun day right here on Sugar Fingers. If you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Follow me on Instagram at Sugar Fingers. That's fingers with 2 S's. Go ahead and follow me there and you'll find some interesting posts that I'm doing now, and send me a DM to let me know, hey, who you are and where you're from. And listen, today, y'all, we're going to be talking about an easy home remedy to make your nail polish last longer. Now, this is for regular nail polish, or if you get nail enhancements, this will actually help your nail enhancements to stop lifting. Isn't that something? This is so simple, you're going to kick yourself. Well, don't do that, but just try this. Why don't you just do this simple thing? Go to the kitchen. Now look around. Now, do you see any white vinegar in your kitchen? Okay, grab that. Now, with a cotton ball, apply the white vinegar to your nails to clear away any dirt, oils, residue just before applying the nail polish. Is that simple or what? Absolutely. Because I know you're tired of your nail polish chipping, raising quickly, all of that, and you want to look cute. Okay, this is how you do it. It's going to help your polish make a better seal and go the distance, and you'll be so glad that you have this little tool. Easy remedy: white vinegar, applying it to the nail polish, just clear all the dirt, oil, residue away. That's it, beautiful babes. And aren't you glad you came to hang out with me today? Absolutely. If you are indeed happy, go ahead, drop a like on this video. Let me know in the comments. And please come visit me again right here on Sugar Fingers. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now, but I will see you on the next one. So make sure you tell somebody where you're hanging out and keep those nails and hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you soon. Bye.